What does it mean to live a minimal, simple life? Number 1, own less. Number 2, do less. Number 3, ground more. What do these 3 points actually mean, and how do I go about it? I share some simple but deep insights on what, how, and why in this video. Do stick around if interested. Hi there, Simple Vegan Being here, grateful to have you here on life's journey of self-discovery. Point 1, owning less. Sounds easy, but to understand how to actually go about it, one has to understand what it actually is. Owning less is easier said than done. A gadget does not simplify life, in fact, quite the opposite. It complicates life. Everything is a double-edged sword. To own less, buy less. But how? Always ask the most important question. 1, what do I have to do to actually maintain this? Picture yourself through what you would need to do to maintain this item. Number 2, will I do these steps to actually maintain it? If yes, then no, I do not rush to buy it. Instead, I put it on my wish list, or even better, I buy a second-hand item as a tester. If it works, great, keep it till it breaks. If it does not work, great, resell it. Either way, it's a win-win. Number 3, what is the functionality of this item in my life? What purpose is this item to serve me? Number 4, do I actually need this item, or does the idea of having this item make me feel more secure? And number 5, most importantly, is this item boring? If yes, then it most likely is simple. If it is not boring, run away from it. To own less, simplify life. Point 3, we'll discuss this further. That said, we often sign up for numerous hobbies which each come with their own baggage, literally tons of physical stuff, items, and things. I found yoga to be simple. Just me, my body, and a decent mat. That is an example of a very simple hobby. Done. No armband, leg band, circle disc, ball, foot thingy. Need I continue? Point 2, do less. In a world where it is cool or sophisticated to sign up for a million experiences, the most important experience is being with oneself in the present instead of engaged in experience after experience of self-distraction under the guise of self-discovery, self-growth, constant entertainment, etc. Just sit quietly and stare at the wall. The very first few times, the only way I was able to do this was as a form of self-challenge. Have you ever tried that, to simply sit and stare at the walls or the ceiling without any stimulation whatsoever? The first time I tried it, I was so restless I had to do anything but that. I had to really take the first few times on as a personal challenge. After the first few attempts of just sitting quietly at the doctor's office without scrolling my phone, on the train, the bus, wherever I'm waiting, I started to enjoy it. The gentle, silent observation of oneself in one's surroundings is enriching and, dare I even say, awakening to something deeper within oneself. I will not get all spiritual about this in this video. Point 3, ground more. In a world of fleeting experiences, objects, likes, dislikes, Tweety bird attention span, fleeting moments, I found it important to realize such moments, learn to recognize such moments, and to learn to let go of such moments as simply fleeting moments. Meaningful experiences are grounded, not fleeting, gone in the blink of an eye on a mere flaky whim. As they say, it has been time tested. What lasts is what is truly grounded. Learn what these are by looking deeper, peeling the top layers to reveal the underlying fundamental truth. As they say, the truth shall reveal all, and so I seek to peel off the layers and look deep within to find the foundation, the ground. Where there is no foundation, no ground, there is no stability, no meaning, no substance, no purpose. I'll leave you with these 3 points to further ponder upon. These are some humble lessons I've learned and want to share and want to catalog in this video. Does any of this resonate with you? Would love to hear your thoughts on these in the comments below. Thanks heaps for being a part of the Simple Vegan Being community. Till next week, plant strong, animal love, planet peace.